बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। वेलकम टू द चैनल सालिया जोन। डियर ऑडियंस, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो वीडियो की जानिब बढ़ने से पहले चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। शुक्रिया। Here are some anti-drug quotes. The drug war is a war on our own people, and it is a war that we are losing. Dan Bomb. Drug abuse is a disease of the soul, not a criminal justice problem. Unknown person. The only way to win the war on drug is to stop fighting it. Unknown. Drug addiction is a prison, and the only way to escape is through treatment and support. Unknown person says, the best way to reduce drug use is to address the root causes of addiction, like pain, trauma, and mental health issues. Unknown person. Drug-free life is a happy life. Drugs take away the dreams, so don't do drugs. A drug-free life is a life full of possibilities. Drugs are a trap. Don't get caught. Your body is a temple. Don't pollute it with drugs. I hope these quotes inspire and motivate individuals to lead a drug-free life. Thanks for watching. Please like and share for more videos, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.